One of the biggest problems we have with the solar power boat that we built is our small battery bank.
So when one of our Patreons reached out with a huge donation, we immediately ordered new batteries.
Showtime! We are here. Haha. I do not know what this is. Chargers. 2 batteries, 2 chargers. Yep, that is a big old battery. I have huge hands, so this is a huge battery. I'm joking, my hands are really small. Here's the size of a drill, scissors. That thing is huge. Let's get this thing charged up. Do one of these. It's always sketchy touching stuff when you're connecting it. So it looks like we got 2 red lights. Red means charging, green means charge. So now we just sit here forever and wait for it to get charged. Just got them plugged in. The charger's like red. I don't know if that's just like an overglow from that light. They're both doing the same thing. Happy it's consistent. And now it's just a waiting game, and then we'll put them on the boat. And the charger says green, so power on, red, charging green, power on, red, green. Yeah, so we'll say it's charged. Colors of Christmas. Oh. Tried getting a good shot for you guys. Ripping these bad boys out, putting in these guys. Nice clean slate. Well, that could have worked out. Any better? There we go. There you go. Get some good shots. Get a close-up one too. Super close. Oh yeah. The cables aren't long enough. We could shift everything over. We'd have to make all new cables for all that stuff. I got an idea. We could swap that guy. Oh, this just turned into so much work.
Both of these are 2 gauge, one's thicker. Oh, this is Cobra wire and cable. That's why it's different. This thing feels like a lot more plastic here. This one bends a lot easier.
We're just gonna take out the inverter cables right now because we're not really gonna be using that today.
We should have pulled way far upstream and then started all this, and the challenge would be to get it installed.
Oh, that one hurt. But it was worth it. It worked. There we go. We got cables now. Back in action. Once the batteries were hooked up, we just had to reprogram our settings in our Victron battery monitor, and we were good to go. Hopefully nothing lights on fire.
Finished installing the new lithium board batteries.
Oh yeah.
We're finally operating the way that we were always meant to.
Solar chargers aren't doing anything. Should be getting a bunch of sunrise now. Oh, because
the batteries are full.
All right, cut. And we think we figured it out. We got our charger going now. I didn't have the float settings programmed right. Basically, we're hauling ass now, going at about 2,500 watts, just under 4 miles an hour. It says we got 2.1 hours to go at this rate, so we could slow down and just keep going forever. We've been going for like 5 minutes tops, and we're already at the trestle. So we got 92% left. We're already at Dobby Island. Gonna be a good day out here on the river, huh? Dude, they're like hauling ass. Unlimited power. This is pretty cool having tons of batteries. We're hauling ass right now, full speed, 85%, 6,000 watts.
Just over 5 miles an hour.
It's 2 years later, and the batteries, they're still awesome. We haven't done any maintenance to them. They've survived 2 cold, brutal Michigan winters.
They're burly, they're resilient, they're handsome.
How much maintenance?
Just like us.
How much maintenance do we do?
0.
If you want to see what this is, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and then you'll be able to see what video that pops out in a couple weeks.
And if you want to see what our batteries power, then watch our boat tour video right here.
And if you want to watch us build the boat, click this build video playlist, and thanks for watching. Boom, double hand. Well, we nailed that.